Labib from Bangladesh, he says that I know that wearing gold for men is haram. What about using mobile phones and computer chips in the computers and the PDAs which operate using gold in their components? To my knowledge, this was used long ago when that was the best conductor possible. Nowadays, I think they have what they call rare earth minerals that are way cheaper and much better performing in these devices. Therefore, there is no gold present, first of all. But hypothetically, that I cannot operate my PDA without these chips, and I need to use this, this is permissible for necessity. As scholars say that it is permissible to take a golden tooth. In the past, if you had a silver tooth, it would rot and have a bad smell to it, like silver does. So they used to put golden teeth. And the Prophet ﷺ, in one of the expeditions, one of the companions lost his nose through being hit by a sword that chopped it off. So he took a nose made of silver and it stinked. So the Prophet ordered him and allowed him to take one made of gold. So for necessities, this is permissible, inshallah. But to my knowledge, this is not being used anymore, and Allah knows.